Hey everyone, it's Squirtle Squad 444 here, and today we're going to be opening up a pack of XY Evolutions. And this is the newest set. It has almost the entire base set reprinted and some other older cards reprinted from like the Neo sets. So I'm pretty excited to open up this pack that I picked up today. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, got a Raichu pack. I'm thinking it's still 3 from the back. There we go. Yeah. It said only 10 cards, so it should be 3 from the back. Okay. Ooh. Here we go. Sorry about that, I had to free up some space on my camera. So, here we go. We have a base set Porygon, De-Evolution Spray, Nidorino, Charmander, Seal, Magnemite, Ghastly, Poliwag, Reversed Hollow Porygon. Wow. They got that like the Diamond and Pearl reverses. Nice. And a rare Raticate. Wow. I'm not even mad that it's regular rare because these are some old cards. Wow, these are sick. Porygon. Yeah, so these are some sick cards. I'm definitely satisfied with the pack. And leave a like if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time.